All right, new interior product for us. It's going to be the oh shit grab bar. So that your grab bar on your passenger side, we're going to give you a little interior storage. Part number 99-1019. This is going to fit your 2018 JL, 2020 Gladiator, all the way up to 2023 JL and Gladiator. So that's one part number for those two vehicles up to 2023. Okay, there's different ones for that. So simple unboxing. Have a nice box. You're gonna have these rubber little pads. They simply sit in place inside there. Again, another injection molded product. Just sits in your grab bar area. Gives you a lot more storage for your passengers or any extra stuff, kids, whoever's in there. So nice little handy thing to add some storage to the vehicle. So part number 99-1019. And that's going to be 2020 to 23 Gladiator, 2018 to 2023 JL.